In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Actions usage metrics in GitHub. To follow along, make sure you're signed into GitHub and you have access to the repository you want to review. We'll start on the GitHub dashboard. From there, look for the Top Repositories section. This area highlights the projects you interact with most. Open it, then select the repository you want to analyze from the list. If you're using the same example as the guide, simply click the one that appears in your Top Repositories panel. Inside the repository, head to the Insights tab in the top navigation. Insights collects useful analytics about your project, and this is where GitHub places the reporting for Actions. In the Insights view, choose Actions Usage Metrics. If you see more than one link or card for this, click through until you land on the dedicated Actions Usage Metrics page. On this page, you'll see an overview of your GitHub Actions activity, including billable minutes and run counts. At the top, there's a date range control labeled something like Showing Data from Date to Date. Click that range to open the filter so you can confirm or adjust the window of time you're analyzing. You may notice zeros in some fields or charts. Go ahead and click those zero values to inspect them. If your repository hasn't run any workflows in that window, the totals will stay at 0. Otherwise, you'll see the numbers update in context. Click the date range again to return to the filter, then switch the period to current month. This is a quick way to align the view with your monthly cycle, and makes it easier to compare usage trends period over period. Next, explore the breakdowns using the tabs on the page. Start with workflows to see which workflows consume the most minutes or run most frequently. Then move to jobs to compare individual jobs within those workflows, which can reveal where caching or matrix strategies might save time. Open Runtime OS to see which operating systems your jobs are using, helpful when directing effort toward the runners that cost the most. Finally, check runner type to compare GitHub-hosted versus self-hosted minutes and spot opportunities to optimize costs or capacity. If your repository hasn't used Actions yet, you'll see a prompt to get started with GitHub Actions. Click that to learn how to enable and configure workflows so that, once you start running them, these metrics will populate. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find and how to interpret GitHub Actions.